that you guys broke up. How you doing?
I moved on, couldn't be better. Happy and light as a feather, yeah, yeah. We're not together,
Okay.
and mostly I never remember. It's all in the past. When anyone asks, to tell them it's no big deal. Not everything lasts, it wasn't that bad. That's probably how she feels. I'm gonna forget her. There's always some pain with the pleasure, yeah, yeah. Plus we ended on good terms, so it could work. I will never say never. It happened so fast, I'm not really mad that we couldn't make it work. Not everything lasts, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, I didn't get too hurt. But when I get back to my room and I shut the door, everything hits me at once.